Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This remarkable 9-bedroom, 9-bathroom villa will captivate even the most discerning buyers. Nestled along the shores of an exclusive private beach in Mammee Bay Estate, St. Anne. This property offers a rare opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Spanning across a half-acre of land, this villa boasts a seamless fusion of contemporary design and timeless elegance. With the main section of the house being newly built, you can revel in the allure of modern living, where every detail has been crafted to create a haven of comfort. Step inside and be greeted by the natural light which cascades through the windows, illuminating the spacious living areas. The villa features a self-contained section, complete with 3 ensuite bedrooms that open up to the poolside, offering a private retreat for guests or the perfect vacation rental opportunity. This exceptional property is being sold with several new appliances. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.